In my mind, there are a few physicians I can think of who are truly dedicated to the craft or the art and the practice and the science of neurosurgery. Sometimes I really think she lives, breathes, and sleeps neurosurgery.
I think medicine is not a job, it's a career. And there's nothing better than having a job where you don't even consider it a job. You're serving people, and you're doing it using your brain, but at the same time you're also doing it using your skills. I mean, this is an industry or a practice of medicine where highly technical skills are valued. And then, I've got great colleagues that I work with.
Dr. Stroink, you're a rock doc.
Dr. Stroink is a rock doc.
Dr. Stroink, you rock!
Hi, I'm Ann Stroink, and I'm a rock doc.
She's a rock star at it, there's no doubt about it. I mean, she's the first female physician to ever graduate from neurosurgery at the Mayo Clinic. That's no small thing. She's been at neurosurgery now for over 30 years, and she demands excellence in everything she does. Her attention to detail is second to no other physician I've ever seen.
Dr. Stroink makes my life as an OR manager much easier. I can always count on Dr. Stroink being on time. She cares about the patients. She's very passionate about the neuro residency program. She wants to pass on all of her knowledge so that the residents can go out through wherever they go to through all the states and give great dedicated care to the patients they'll be taking care of.
I'm involved in the care and treatment of patients that have various neurosurgical conditions that we have to address. And many of them are cancer patients. So that kind of involves patients with brain tumors, spinal cord tumors, in addition to doing spine and trauma as well. But I'm also involved heavily in teaching. So we have a residency program with residents at both of our local hospitals that on a day-to-day basis, that is what I do and what I teach and what I love. So my husband and I are temporarily enjoying an empty nest. And yes, there is life with an empty nest. So we had 5 children, but they've all gone out now and they're in the world and doing their own thing. But that's going to end soon because in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'm going to become a grandmother. So that'll be the first time, and I'm very excited about that.
One of Dr. Stroink's passions outside the hospital is really spending time on her farm. She's so busy during the week and spends so much time really looking after her patients and the residents and making sure that that work is complete. So outside of the hospital, I know she spends a lot of time at the farm and picking chicken eggs and just enjoying nature.
And then I go out to my garden and I might work in the garden, or I might go out and feed the chickens, or maybe take care of some of the equine or cattle issues that may be going on the farm, and I find that very relaxing.
And on Monday mornings, she often brings in several dozen eggs to share with the hospital staff.
My theme song goes back way to my medical school days, and we used to play the William Tell Overture before we would take our final exams. And I think it's because it pumps you up. I mean, and it's a great piece of music, and it's always exciting to listen to, no matter how many times you've heard it.
Dr. Stroink.
Dr. Stroink, you are a rock doc.